Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your account on the Greward application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Greward application on your device, and after tapping on the Agree button, you will see the Continue with Google option. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be asked to choose your Google account that you used while signing up for your account. If you don't already have an account, you can also sign up by tapping on this button. After choosing your Google account, tap on the Continue As button and complete your registration if you haven't signed up yet. Then tap on the Continue button, and now you will be logged into your account on Grewards right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Greward application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.